Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be putting a screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. And the reason I'm applying a screen protector, specifically a matte screen protector on here, is because I got a really bad scratch on the side, top corner of this device. And it's like right here. I definitely want to avoid any more scratches from happening on the display. I'm not sure if you can really see that scratch, but it's like, let me turn off the display real quick. Like right there, you can see it in the reflection right here on the top corner. So you put an angle on the camera, you can definitely see it right there. It's a real nasty scratch too. You can see it right there. So this device, I don't know what the screen is made of. It's sort of like maybe like a Gorilla Glass 3 or something, maybe Gorilla Glass 5, I'm not sure, but it does scratch really easy. So let's go ahead and take a look at this screen protector that I did purchase. So let's go ahead and open it up. So right here I have a screen protector from Supershieldz. This will give you 3 separate screen protectors inside of this package for anti-glare on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. It also says high quality optical material, ultimate protection for your screen. And so I don't have my knife in front of me. I'm just going to go ahead and rip this open. All right, so everything in here is basically presented in a nice fashion. You get your attention to register for a lifetime warranty. Right there, you get a little pick right here to smoothen it out from Supershieldz as well. I think that's a nice, really cool touch that they added. Then they give you 3 different screen protectors that offer matte protection. Let's take one of them out of here and save the other 2 for another time, just in case. So you do have extra, in case you do mess up. So what I like to do is put like water underneath the display and then let it kind of peel onto the display, and it fits really well when you do that. So I don't have water in front of me, but I should probably get like a cup of water or something like that. But let's just attempt to do it without the water. So they don't give you any wet wipes, so just keep that in mind. And then they give you this thing that wipe off the dirt on the display. So let's just do that pretty thoroughly. And I do see a lot of specks of dirt in the air, so I'm definitely going to run some water under my display to eliminate any more like dust particles. And it's pretty much near impossible to get every single dust particle off. But let's go ahead and do a quick installation of the screen protector. And it is matted. So right here, if I just line it up with the camera module right here and then drop it, I'm trying to see how far I am over the display because I'm at an angle right now. So let's see. I want to kind of drop it right here. Now, one of the things is that you have to peel this other piece right here. So now I'm talking. Okay, there we go. So now you can put this on the camera and kind of align it with the rest of the phone. So it's going to be hit or miss like every single time. But like I said, I'm going to run some water on here to actually get it to stick kind of proper. And I'm messing up right now just because I can't really tell if it's centered or not. But you'll know when it's centered. I think right now it's actually centered, and that was a very good installation. So very little dust on underneath it. That actually feels pretty premium. The side part right here is not pressing down, which might be a little annoying. But if I run some water underneath it, which I'm about to do, so let me pause the video. I'm gonna run some water and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back. I didn't run water. I gave it a second thought, and then I realized that it's just gonna have to come out on its own. This one on the corner right here, I'm not sure why it's like that, but this pick will remove the rest of the bubbles pretty easily. And they're all coming out very easily. So this matted material on the screen looks really good when it comes to blocking out reflections. All the bubbles are pretty much gone now. There's no bubbles left on the display except for this one in the middle, which will come out eventually. And then the only thing is the top corner has that little bubble thing. So let's go ahead and like mess around with this with the matte screen protector. It does actually look very matted now, like, so it's gonna look really nice, especially when you put it in the sun. It will kind of reject reflections that are happening, making it look a lot better. And then the scratch on the top left hand corner is barely visible now because the screen protector is over top of it, and it kind of just blocks that out. So if I try to remove this bubble manually, I could probably work it out eventually, but for the most part, it was a perfect installation besides this bubble right here that's getting on my nerves. But all the other bubbles are completely out of the display, so it's not going to interfere with your viewing experience. So I definitely think this is going to be a smart move, especially because the glass on here is kind of fragile. But let me know what you guys think about this installation, this screen protector. It does feel really nice on the fingers. It doesn't feel weird or anything, but it also gives the phone an anti-glare effect. And it's going to allow you to basically use the phone while in a bag, and you don't have to worry about it scratching up or anything like that. So it definitely still feels very responsive even with the display on there. So I'm pretty impressed overall with this screen protector. Again, I purchased this with my own money, so this is my honest opinion about this screen protector. This little bubble is getting on my nerves for real, but hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. If you did, make sure you hit the like button to show your support and appreciation, and just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I'm going to check you guys later. I'll get right back with you. I'll check you guys later, okay? Peace.